Doorbot is lightweight and compact enough to be installed anywhere you want, and it has very powerful night vision. It has adjustable camera angles that can cover all the blind spots in the house. It is Wi-Fi enabled. It can be synced to your Wi-Fi within seconds. It can be connected to your smartphone via the Doorbot app. The Doorbot app is very user-friendly and allows you to access all camera angles. You can see and talk to visitors through your doorbell and smartphone. Doorbot has a rechargeable battery. It can be charged using your existing doorbell wiring. Doorbot advantages. Doorbot is an all-in-one security and convenience device. You can download the Doorbot app on your iPhone 5 to start the setup process. Doorbot is compatible with iOS and Android devices, and it can operate on 3G, 4G, LTE, and Wi-Fi. Home security become a matter of high concern for people all around the globe. The crime rates increases and the bandits makes residential homes their primary targets every day. You have to protect your house with a vigilante Doorbot. Doorbot comes with a video camera, a doorbell, a speaker, a microphone, and a related app. It can be connected to your local Wi-Fi, and anytime a visitor rings the doorbell, you will receive a push notification. The camera will start recording live footage of your guest and give you the option to talk to them using the app's Hold to Talk feature. Anytime you use Hold to Talk, you won't be able to hear your visitor speaking. You can replace your current doorbell with Doorbot, connect it to your home Wi-Fi, download the Android or iOS app, and receive alerts whenever someone buzzes your front door. Doorbot app gives you front door visibility and communication capabilities whether you're home or away. You can stay away from your house without worrying. Doorbot is a camera cum vigilante that will keep an eye on your house when you are away and will inform you of all the visitors coming behind your back and if there is any suspicious activity going on in your house behind your back. Doorbot has Wi-Fi enabled doorbells. Wi-Fi enabled doorbells allow you to access the camera of the doorbell anytime you want. You can access the doorbell using the Doorbot app, which is available on Android and iOS. You can answer the doorbell anytime you want, even if you are not physically present inside your house. The doorbell can be connected to your cell phone, and you can use your phone to communicate with visitors. You can take a screenshot of their faces on your smartphone. This will help you keep a track of everyone who has ever visited your house. The Doorbot is one of the most cost-effective security covers for your house. You can ensure the safety of your family and everyone who lives in your house. The Doorbot takes care of your house security as this house surveillance system has an adjustable camera mounted on it. A single fixed camera will indeed leave blind spots in capturing house images. Doorbot's disadvantages. The Doorbot smart doorbell has not waterproof, so, if you want to install it externally, this doorbell can only work if you install it inside a shed and keep it protected from rain and snow. The Doorbot smart bell does not have any storage space inbuilt, so, you have to take screenshots to keep a track of all the visitors coming and leaving your premises. The video is extremely pixelated, making it very difficult to determine who is actually at my front door. The Hold to Talk feature is more disappointing. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.